Today, we'll show you how to physically install the VersaBoost Pro, Franklin Electric's all-in-one constant pressure boosting solution. Let's get started. Make sure the location is suitable to the enclosure rating of the unit, clean and well ventilated, protected from freezing, flooding, and excessive heat, accessible for servicing, convenient for draining of the unit and service pipes, allows for unobstructed removal of the top cover for tank pressure adjustments and maintenance, and is close as possible to the water source to minimize suction piping length. If you are connecting to a well with an existing pump and pressure tank, install the unit after the tank. Install the unit before any water heaters. Refer to the owner's manual for dimensions. If needed, rotate the external housing top cover to fit into the desired installation location. For a multi-pump setup, place the units close together to ensure a strong and stable Bluetooth connection. If it is not possible to place the units next to each other, make sure they are within 30 feet or 10 meters of each other, with a clear line of sight for reliable communication, allowing sufficient space for plumbing maintenance access. If walls, floors, or other obstructions are present, reduce the distance to 15 feet or 5 meters or less to maintain Bluetooth signal strength. Avoid placing the units near large metal objects or sources of wireless interference, such as Wi-Fi routers or microwaves. Place or mount the unit vertically with the wiring end oriented downward with the covers properly secured. This also applies to indoor installations. Install away from locations subject to extreme temperatures or humidity. Install away from direct sunlight. If you're installing the unit on the floor, follow these steps. Close all water supply valves necessary to turn off the incoming water supply. Carefully drain the existing plumbing system of all water. Place the unit on a hard, level surface. Make sure the unit will have nearby access to an appropriate electrical outlet. Place a level on top of the unit. Use a bubble level or a digital level to check for accuracy. Check both the front to back and side to side levels to determine which feet need adjustment. Slightly tilt the unit and adjust the feet as needed. To shorten the foot, turn the foot clockwise. To lengthen the foot, turn the foot counterclockwise. Double-check the unit's stability by gently pushing the sides. Make adjustments as needed. Tighten each foot's lock nut against the base securely. A wall mounting bracket accessory kit is available for this product. If you're installing the unit on the wall, complete the following steps. Turn off the incoming water supply. Carefully drain the plumbing system of all water. Make sure the unit will have nearby access to an appropriate electrical outlet. Attach a wall mounting bracket to a wall or other suitable solid structure, such as concrete, cinder block, brick, wall studs, or drywall with blocking. Remove feet from the unit and place on the bracket. Remove lock nuts and replace with the included lock washer. To secure the unit, use the 4 leveling feet or 4 5/16 to 5/18 UNC 2A bolts with appropriate anti-vibration hardware. After placing or mounting the unit, complete these outlined steps. Install the inlet plumbing to the unit. Use PTFE tape at all threaded connections. Ensure all suction connections are airtight. Install a check valve in the inlet plumbing when no other backflow prevention device is present in the system before the unit. If a bypass loop is used in the plumbing, install the check valve before it. Install a suction strainer or filter before the unit in non-clean water applications. Connect the system piping to the discharge. Use PTFE tape at all threaded connections. Keep the discharge lines as large as possible. Avoid using bends, elbows, and fittings whenever possible. Install a shutoff valve in the plumbing near the discharge of the pump. Install a pressure relief valve downstream of the unit if the application pressure could exceed 80 psi. Plumb this discharge to a drain rated for maximum pump output at relief pressure settings. For suction lift applications, where the water source is below the unit, install a foot valve to the end of the suction line. For more information on how to physically install the unit, reference the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.